Mamas, and welcome back to Tidy Mommy. Thank you for all your positive feedback on my toy organizing videos. I'm very happy that they're helping all of you mommies out there. It's Easter season now, and as you can imagine, the kids are enjoying their egg surprise toys. You're probably thinking, oh no, more toys! As a family with 3 boys, our house is constantly swamped with toys. So over the years, I've learned which organizing habits really work and which don't. So in this video, I'm going to share with you some easy but clever ideas on how to store egg surprise toys. Before we start, hit that subscribe button and comment in the description below for any toy organizing challenge you would like me to talk about. So here are 4 easy ways to store and organize egg surprise toys. Way number 1. Put all your egg surprise toys in individual bags. The way I store our egg surprise toys is by packing them in individual bags like this. Each bag has 1 toy, together with all the parts and instructions. The instructions are helpful especially for those that need to be assembled. You can get small bags like these on Amazon or the dollar store. I've put the links to these items on Amazon in the description below for your convenience. There are self-sealing ones or Ziploc ones. The size that I use, which I find to be best for egg surprise toys, is 3 inches by 3 inches. Then I put everything in a clear pouch like this. This pouch is about 10 inches by 8 inches and holds about 30 egg surprise toys. This is probably the easiest way. The only problem is that you can't really see everything inside, and it's hard to find a particular toy. So kids will end up dumping everything out like this. And younger kids might have a hard time taking the toys out or putting them back without some help. Which brings me to the next way. Way number 2. Rocket with pockets. Another great way to store small egg surprise toys that I just thought of and planning to try is to use pocket jewelry organizers. This lets kids see all their toys in one glance without having to dump everything out. Each pocket can contain 1 toy with all its parts and instructions. Make sure to get the ones with zippers to keep the toys from falling out. I've put the links to Amazon in the description below for your convenience. Kids can easily pick one and put it back later. You can hang it or remove the hanger and roll it up or fold it and put it on a shelf. Way number 3. Display your assortment in compartments. Another great way to store egg surprise toys is to use plastic storage containers with dividers like this. Each slot holds 1 toy with its parts and instructions and lets your kids see everything in a glance without having to dump everything out. They're available on Amazon and have adjustable dividers so you can move them based on the sizes of the toys that you want to keep. Make sure that each slot is big enough to hold the parts and instructions of each toy. The size of the grids in this container is about 2 inches by 2 inches. My kids like this storage the best and they enjoy revisiting their collection every now and then, making these simple egg surprise toys go a long way. What's also good about this is that the dividers reach all the way up to the lid, so the contents don't mix up inside. Underneath, kids can also see all the toys that they have in a glance. And they're stackable, so you can just add more units as your collection grows. Way number 4. Display them all on your wall. Another great way to store all your egg surprise toys is to put them in a wall-mounted display case. This acrylic Shopkins display case is a great option. It can hold up to 150 toys and you can mount it vertically or horizontally. You can also check out floating picture ledges or even be creative by repurposing an old letterpress drawer or printer tray. So those are 4 easy ways to store and organize egg surprise toys. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up icon and remember to subscribe for more toy organizing hacks that work. Comment in the description below if you have any toy organizing challenge you would like me to talk about. Until the next video, this is Tidy Mommy, organizing for maximum fun, making toys last, and encouraging independence.